Jai Hind India's future. How are you all? I hope that you are all well. Today I am about to tell some phrase, some structure which is used for speaking, and I make a sentence after I will make a story. And let's start. My first phrase is can't stay without. So it structure is the it structure is used to express our choice, our desire, which think something which I need, and I can't taste without something, so we can use and we can speak. So I will make I make sentence is uh, sorry, uh, nowadays people can't stay without phone. Nowadays people can't stay without phone. I i can't stay without reading book. I can't stay without watching v- watching sorry, making video. I can't stay without making video. So many sentence we can use and we can tell. And first I make a story. Nowadays people can't stay without phone. Today, nowadays phone is very important, and every person works by phone. And we also talk each other by phone. Suppose our relatives in other place, in other cities. So, and we connect by phone. So I can say, we can say phone is very important. So a phone is very important, and people can't stay without phone. This is my story, which things in come in my mind. Whatever come in my mind I spoke, and other sentence I will make. I other sentence is supposed to. It structure, it phrase is used to express when we do some things, when we can do some things, so we can use this structure. So, and it express our duty, and it also express our duty which we can do. So, and for example, you are supposed to watching my video. You are supposed to watch my video, and I supposed to get up early in the morning. There are many sentences we can use, and I use a story, and I make story on a sentences. I supposed to get up early in the morning. um, I get up early in the morning because because I go to field, I go to outside for running. So I get up early in the morning, and I supposed to get up early in the morning. I can't make a story. I can I try to make a story, but I don't know make a story, because when I face camera, then I forget to. I my thinking my thinking is stopped when I face it's I feel what I speak, but I try to speak, and I will speak. So I choose other sentence. Sentence is there is something wrong with, like for example, and it use for mistake. This structure is used to express mistake there. Suppose or incorrect situation where we can use, we can tell use. So my first sentence is, there is something wrong with fan, there is something wrong with you. So and there is something wrong my sentence when I speak. Many other sentence we can make through this phrase. So I use a story. First sentence, my first sentence was, uh, there is something wrong with fan. So I have a fan which is a bad quality, and when I go to uh, um, I go to who make fan electric, uh, who makes electric things. I make him see my fan, and he saw my fan, and he said, there is something wrong with the fan. So I can say, you can you can improve my fan. He said, I can. So I use and I can speak that there is wrong with my mistake when when my sentence, when I speak sentence. So there is very mistake is created by me. No problem, come what may, I will practice, because it's my practice session, and I practice through making video. And I sometimes and I tell you that yesterday, no, before yesterday, I talked with Chat GPT. I don't know how to talk Chat GPT, but I asked Chat GPT, how can I talk with you, and he tell, you can talk with chat by chatting. I said, I want I don't I don't want to talk with chatting. I talk speaking by speaking. And he said, you can talk because you have in your phone, you can start microphone. I said, I don't know how to start microphone. And he said, you can take you can take a screenshot, and you send me. And I send, I do. And he said, and after I talk some, I talk is- I practice to speak English with ChatGPT. And I also use ChatGPT many works, like I sometimes I make ChatGPT thumbnail. So uh, I use to making thumbnails. So may I can use. And I come back on topic. And other next sentence is feel, 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 felt, feels, feel like, sorry, feel like, feels like, felt like, will feel like. This sentence expressed to tell about our feeling. I our feeling, we what we do think. So we can use our we can use for telling our uh, feeling, our choice, uh, for example, I will I will make you understand. For an example is there. And exam sorry, I don't see, but I in things I see little bit, but when I forget, because I wrote myself. It's my writing. In I have a book copy, and I can see sometimes, but I it's my first time, and you can see I wrote this, I have written this, but some structure I read jo when which I when I sorry uh, whatever I am speaking, I write first this and I have practiced, so I will tell you. And where where I feels like uh, feels I make video. I am I feels like sleeping. I feels like sleeping now because it is timing is 11 approx 11 o'clock, so 11 p.m. So I feel like sleeping. So but I right now I am making video, so this I can't uh, I can't speak this sentence, but for an example I have taken this sentence. So there are many sentence we can use, like I will feel like uh, going to run in the morning. So and I felt like calling you. So uh, like this sentence we can use our daily everyday speaking. And and we can improve our speaking English speaking skills. And we can practice. Without practice we can't do anything. Everywhere practice is very important. Everywhere practice is important. So and I my next sentence is what if. It denote imagination situation. It denotes in sorry imagination situation. And when we think about something, then we can use like what if. It is a conditional. Suppose we can let it is some conditional sentence. What if I become PM? What if Rahul Gandhi become PM? So we can use when we when we will when we tell our imagination sentence, then we can use this structure. This word is what if. So like this I will practice. I am telling you, and I make video and I practice. I before yesterday I was thinking I start to self conversation. And I will I make video this topic. So but I don't think how can I make self conversation, because I do self conversation in my mind, but when I speak I am not able to speak. And I don't do self conversation. Maybe I speak wrong this word, this sentence, but i I do try to speak. It's very important that first you should speak. You should try to speak. Whatever we speak wrong or right, it doesn't matter whether we speak right or wrong. First we should speak. Speaking very important. So I am speaking. So that's all. Jai Hind. Thanks for my watching video.